Want to track smarter, train harder, and live healthier, all from your wrist? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're checking out the Google Pixel Watch 4, featuring a vivid AMOLED display, smarter AI-powered features, and enhanced Fitbit health tracking. With Wear OS 6, dual-frequency GPS, and improved battery life, it's Google's most advanced and refined smartwatch yet. What's in the box? Let's see what you get in the box. Inside the box, you'll find the Google Pixel Watch 4. Active band, small and large bands. Google Pixel Watch, quick charge dock. And a quick start guide. Technical specifications. Material. Display sizes. Processor. Storage. Sensors. Health. Durability. Battery life. Connectivity. Controls. Audio. Operating system. Design fit. Safety features. Colors. Product features. Wrapped in a refined aluminum finish and reinforced with Gorilla Glass 5, it offers a durable yet comfortable feel. With 5 ATM water protection and an IP68 rating, it's designed to withstand sweat, splashes, and everyday impact. Stay on top of your health with Fitbit's advanced tracking, offering accurate heart rate, sleep monitoring, ECG, SpO2, stress insights, and skin temperature sensing for a complete day and night view of your well-being. Whether you're running, cycling, or training, the Pixel Watch 4 provides accurate stats with dual-frequency GPS, auto workout detection, and real-time coaching for more efficient, data-driven sessions. Built for all-day use, the Pixel Watch 4 delivers 30 to 40 hours of battery life and supports rapid charging to get you going fast. With smart performance optimization, it stays smooth throughout the day. With Wear OS 6, you get smarter on-device AI, smooth notifications, and tools like Google Wallet, Maps, and Assistant. Optional LTE keeps you connected even without your phone. How to pair. Switch on the Pixel Watch 4 and keep your phone close with Bluetooth enabled. If you don't have it yet, download the Google Pixel Watch app from the Play Store. Make sure your phone is updated so the setup runs smoothly. Open the app and select Set up a new watch, then wait for your Pixel Watch to appear on the screen. Confirm the pairing code shown on both devices, sign in with your Google account, and follow the prompts to complete the setup and sync your data. How to charge? Place the Pixel Watch 4 on the included magnetic fast charger. The magnets will automatically align it. Connect the charger's USB-C cable to a power adapter or USB-C port, and the watch will begin charging instantly. Fast charging gives you enough power to get through most of the day. How to reset your watch. Method 1. Reset via watch settings. Open settings on your watch. Scroll down and tap System. Select Reset, then Factory Reset. Confirm to erase all data. The watch will restart and return to factory settings. Method 2. Reset using hardware buttons. Ensure your Pixel Watch has sufficient battery power. Press and hold both the crown and side button at the same time. Keep holding until the Google logo appears on the screen. Release both buttons once the logo is visible. the watch will automatically begin the factory reset process, restoring it to default settings. Resetting will erase all data, including apps, settings, and personal information. Make sure your Google Pixel Watch 4 is backed up via the Google Pixel Watch app before proceeding. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use only approved chargers. Keep it dry. Clean gently. Wear comfortably. Update regularly. Product comparison. Talking about build. The Pixel Watch 4 features a sleek, recycled aluminum case with a stronger domed Actua 360 glass display and 5 ATM plus IP68 water and dust resistance. The Pixel Watch 3 also uses aluminum with Gorilla Glass, 5 protection and the same resistance rating, but a slightly thicker design. Display and sizes. The Pixel Watch 4 offers 41mm and 45mm AMOLED LTPO displays with up to 3000 nits brightness and thinner bezels, while the Pixel Watch 3 comes in the same sizes with up to 2000 nits brightness and a slightly smaller viewing area. Battery and storage. The Pixel Watch 4 packs a 325 mAh battery for 41mm or 455 mAh for 45mm battery with up to 40 hours of use and 32 GB of storage, while the Pixel Watch 3 houses a 307 mAh or 420 mAh battery lasting about 24 to 36 hours, also with 32 GB of storage. Pros and cons. The Google Pixel Watch 4 delivers a bright display, improved battery life, advanced health tracking, and smooth Wear OS 6 integration, all in a sustainable, user-repairable design. However, it still needs frequent charging, lacks sapphire glass protection, and some key features are limited to the LTE version. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.